Today's video is going to be a very exciting video, affordable home decor haul video. I'm like super excited about it. I'm starting from 99 to 1499. Yes, it's going to be under 1500 rupees. Love at first sight, I was in love with it. I am in love with this kind of showpieces. Hello Makalis, April King here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Welcome back to Bang Pune in South. So today's video is going to be a very exciting video. It's going to be a home decor haul video, and that too affordable home decor haul video. I'm like super excited about it. So there are a lot of items that I'm buying for my new home. So I thought let me just share with you. You're gonna get items starting from 99 to 1499. Yes, it's going to be under 1500 rupees and you're going to love it. And some of the items I've picked it from Meesho, some from website, some from the street shop, or some from different shops. Link of all the products will be mentioned in the description box. Do check it out, and without any further ado, let's get started. So the first product is this Buddha. You know, I love Buddhas. You will find a lot of Buddhas in different forms in my house. I just love them. So first item had to be, this is my most favorite home decor item, you know. So I went to Westside in the home section and I was in love with it. Like love at first sight, I was in love with it. And I know the price was like 1499 and I had to pick it because this beautiful Buddha in that price was like awesome. So I just picked it up. So this is my first one. So I'll also provide the link in the description box. So the next item is this owl that I have picked it from Westside home section and I was in love with it. I really like the pattern, the size, the shape. It's really nice and it's really affordable. All the prices of the item will be in the screen. Do check it out. I just love keeping photo frames in my house. You can see one is over there, and this is something that I've got it from Miniso. So I got this photo frame from Miniso because I wanted to keep a photo of me and Rinse in our bookshelf in the hall. So I've got this photo frame and it was also really affordable and I really like the look and the finish. So guys, the next item is this cute little piggy. Yes, I am in love with this kind of showpieces, you know. This is actually a piggy bank. So I went to a plant shop and I was just looking for some, you know, ceramic pots and things like that, and I saw this and I was in love with it. So I had to just pick this up. This is so cute, so nice that I had to pick it up. So yes, next items are some table decor that I bought it from Meesho in some affordable price. So the first one had to be this, you know. I got this because this significance me and Rinse. He loves his bike and I love taking ride on it. So yes, this is the first one that I have gotten. It's really nice and it's really good quality table decors. The next one is this Life is a Beautiful Ride, and the color and the coat is so good. It gives so good look in my hall that I can't even tell you. I just love it. Third table decor is like a canvas decor, but I love it because it says never give up, and I've kept it in my working desk because whenever I feel tired, I'm like, okay, I'm just done with it. I always read it and I get motivated. So yes. So guys, the next home decor is this clock. Yes, this wall clock, and I got this from Lulu, and you will not believe I just got it for 499 rupees. Yes, such big watch and so good looking. I just got it for 499 and I had to just take it. So immediately I took one of it. Let me share with you some kitchen decor. So first is this spoon and spatula holder. I really love it. The quality is so good, so nice that I can't even tell you. It's so nice, and I think it came for some 150 to 200 rupees, and it's really nice. It has two compartments, so you can keep your spoons, your spatulas and your knife and scissors and everything. It will look really good in your kitchen. So the next two item is one of my favorite in my kitchen items, which is this Pinteresty cup. Oh my god, I am in love with this cups because this gives a very cute look in my coffee station. So I just love it. Anything which is Pinteresty and affordable, I just love it. So this is the next item that I purchased from Meesho. So guys, the next item is for my kitchen floor, and an anti-skid mat is really important in the kitchen, which will absorb your water as well as it will not skid as well. So I have got this mat which comes with two different mat, one in big size and one in small size. I'm gonna post the picture over here so that you can understand. And this this also came, I think, within 400 rupees. Affordable curtains are always in our list, and this is something I'm going to share with you last. So yes, I have bought a lot of curtains for my home, and I love my curtains to be 7 feet long. And as you know, 7 feet long curtains actually cost us a lot. It starts from 1000 rupees, but in Meesho I have got pretty good quality curtains in between 500 to 600 rupees. Yes, so let me just share with you one of it. So this is one of the curtain. I'm going to give the picture over here. So it's a really nice material curtain, 7 feet long, and it looks wonderful when you put it on your windows. That was all about my affordable home decor haul. I hope you guys have loved it. Which one was your favorite? Do let me know in the comment section below, and all the link of the product will be in the description box. Do check it out, and there are a lot of home decors that's on the way, so I'm going to share with you in part 2 as well. So chalo, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, ta-ra, love you all, bye.